Tuesday, everybody. Woo! Are you surviving? Okay, so today we're going to talk about personal survival budget. Don't be like Scamper, hiding away from things, because this is not going to help. Okay, so we're going to go across to Mahmood and he's going to give you some important tips.
Thank you very much, Serena. So we're going to talk about personal survival budget. You might be thinking, what's this got to do with my business? Well, the business provides the income that feeds into your household. So adopt those disciplines that you do in your business. Think about the household, what comes in, wages, salaries, household benefits. Think about what goes out, mortgages, rents, entertainment, etc. Look at the gaps. If there are gaps, that's what the business has got to plug. If there's a problem, challenge those costs and keep reviewing it. I hope you found this useful.
Okay guys, so head over to our website, have a look at the blog that we've done, look on Facebook, LinkedIn. People are saying that they're liking and they're enjoying these videos. Press like and share. Spread the word, guys. Okay, so in the meantime, give us a call. Let's see if we can turn your business pain
into smiles.
Turn that smile
Upside down.
Turn that frown.